Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do one of my favorite videos to film, which is unboxing. We are going to unbox a piece of jewelry from this company called She Said Yes. I was lucky enough to get contacted by them and asked me to check out their website, pick a piece of jewelry to try out and possibly share with you guys. She Said Yes is actually based in the US, but need nothing to worry because they ship worldwide, and they don't just ship, they ship it for free, which is brilliant. And based on my own research, She Said Yes is actually a sister company of Julia Jewelry, a company who I work with countless of times. I love their jewelry. The only difference is, while Julia Jewelry focuses on sterling silver jewelry, She Said Yes specializes in fine jewelry, which means they sell 10 karat gold, 14 karat, 18 karat, or even platinum, and also offers the option to get yellow gold, rose gold, or white gold. I understand that not everyone is into sterling silver, so I thought it's going to be a perfect opportunity to share with you guys this company because they offer fine metals. So without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing because I cannot wait any longer. I have received the box a couple of days ago and we really need to see this beauty now. Mind you, it's a proper unboxing. I took the plastic off, but I haven't opened the boxes yet. So the box looks like this. She Said Yes jewelry. It opens like that. Best wishes to you. Customize what you love. Okay, so there's a space for you to write your love letter. Thank you card, we appreciate your business. How to care for your jewelry. It's all in here, guys. And oh my god, the moment of truth. Here it is. Wow, look at this packaging. That is so cool. So this one here, what's this one? It's a bag, a gift bag. Got the ribbon. It's cute, pink. Oh my goodness. Let us have a look what I chose. Dun, dun, dun. Nothing. It is inside this plastic. Oh, it's very dainty. Oh my god. It is so delicate. Look at this. I hope that will give you an idea. But wow, the stone is beautiful. It's sparkly. I'll show you. So that is the stone. So the name of this particular necklace, guys, is Miss You Every Day Round Cut Necklace. This is beautiful. It's so cute. So I got this in yellow gold, as you can see, and also in 18 inches if I'm not mistaken, although hang on, maybe it's 20 because it has two other holes where you can use to adjust it. So it's 10 karat yellow gold, and you can see it is very delicate. The yellow gold is very shiny, and the stone is beautiful. Let me try it on so you can see the beauty. I actually have a similar one but in silver, just a slightly bigger stone, but I'm so glad I now have it in yellow gold. When it's this delicate necklace, I tend to wear like the shortest possible because I like it. Well, I like the look of it when it's closer to my, like here, you know. So let us have a look closer. Oh my god. Oh, stunning. Oh, I love it. It's super nice. And you know guys, like I mentioned before, this is real 10 karat gold, so you don't have to worry about, you know, if you go shower, jump in the bath, it's going to be fine. And especially for someone like me, I don't really like taking off. Well, I'm so lazy when it comes to taking off jewelry. So this, I haven't taken it off for 7 years, like maybe 8 years now. That's why for me it's real worth it getting a real gold jewelry. Now, when is the best time to grasp some She Said Yes gemstone? But now, because they are currently doing the Black Friday sale, which if you are going to use the code that is now showing on your screen, you can get 15% off your purchase. And as we speak, they are doing more deals, which is if you spend $800 plus, receive a necklace valued at $350. If you spend $1,200 or over, you receive earrings valued at $650. And if you spend $1,600 and above, you will receive a jewelry set valued at $1,000. Isn't it amazing? So what are you waiting for? Head out to their website. It is shesaidYes.com. I'll put the website's name on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description box below, along with a code of this beautiful necklace that I am wearing right now, just in case you're interested to get something that is delicate but gorgeous. And before I wrap it all up, I just want to say a huge thank you to She Said Yes for this stunning piece of jewelry that I will treasure forever. Thank you so much. And I know that whoever buys this necklace won't be disappointed. That's about it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.